Let us do some extra sums. 25 raised to 3 upon 2 multiplied by 343 raised to 1 upon 5 upon 16 raised to 5 upon 4 multiplied by 8 raised to 4 upon 3 multiplied by 7 raised to 3 upon 5. Now 25 is 5 square. So 5 square raised to 3 upon 2 and 343 is 7 cube. So 7 cube raised to 1 upon 5. 16 is 2 raised to 4 whole raised to 5 upon 4. 8 is 2 cube raised to 4 upon 3 multiplied by 7 3 raised to 3 upon 5. If you don't know, you are going to find out the prime factors of 16, 8 and 25, 343 to get this answer 5, 7, 2 and 2. So power का power you are going to multiply. So 5 raised to 4 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2 multiplied by 7 raised to 3 into 1 upon 5. 2 raised to 4 into 5 upon 4 multiplied by 3 into 4 3 into 2 raised to 3 into 4 upon 3 multiplied by 7 raised to 3 upon 5. So 2 get cancelled, 4 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. The answer left is 5 cube multiplied by 7 raised to 3 upon 5 upon 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 4 and 7 raised to 3 upon 5. 7 raised to 3 upon 5, 7 raised to 3 upon 5 also get cancelled. So the number left is 5 cube, 2 raised to 5 is 32 and 2 raised to 4 is 16. So 5 cube is 125 and 32 into 16 is 512. That is your final answer. Question number 6. 64 upon 125 raised to minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 256 upon 625 raised to 1 upon 4 plus root 25 and 3 root 4. 64 is 2 raised to 6 and 125 is 5 cube. 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125 plus 256 is 4 raised to 4 and 625 is 5 raised to 4 whole raised to 1 upon 4. Square root of 25 is 5 and 64 is 2 raised to 6. Root 3 means raised to 1 upon 3. Power get multiplied. So 2 raised to 6 multiplied by minus 2 upon 3 upon 5 cube into minus 2 upon 3. 1 upon 4 raised to 4 into 1 upon 4. 5 raised to 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 2 raised to 6 into 1 upon 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 cancelled. 4 cancelled. 4 cancelled. 3 2s are 6. So the answer left is 2 raised to 2 multiplied by minus 2 upon 5 raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 square. So making this power minus into plus. So 2 goes down and 5 comes up. So it becomes 5 square upon 4 square. Plus 5 upon 4. So I have just denominator, do not have any denominator. So 5 goes up. So it is 5 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4. Now 5 square is 25 upon 16 plus 5 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4. Taking LCM, it will be 25 plus 20 upon 16. So answer is 65 upon 16. If A is equal to root 3 upon 7 and 7 upon A is equal to B root 3, then find the value of B. So I have taken 7 upon A is equal to B root 3, this one. Value of A is given to you, that is root 3 upon 7 is equal to B root 3. Denominator do not have denominator, so 7 goes up. So it is 7 into 7 upon root 3 is equal to b into root 3. 7 7 is 49 and root 3 goes as multiplication over here. So 49 is equal to b, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So b is equal to 49 upon 3. Actually I have done one sum of MCQ over here, but we are not going to